Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to be showing you all how you can use perennials to create lovely containers. Perennials are often thought of as border plants only, and you often end up putting hardy annuals into your containers, but perennials can be great in containers too. They can be much more low maintenance because you don't have to keep changing the plants every season. So you put your container in and then you can leave it for a long period of time. When choosing perennials for your pots, I often go for things with interesting foliage. Today, I've got this beautiful heuchera. Look at that leaf. I just love that red. Heuchera, micrantha palace purple, a sedum. I just think that foliage is absolutely beautiful. Seduction pink. And finally, an incarvillea. Incarvillea can be better in a pot because you can move it somewhere that is out of the way of the frost. If you're anything like me, I get terrible frosts here, so I want to do all I can to protect this plant, and putting it in a pot is going to give it the best chance possible. I got all of these plants from Secret Gardening Club online. The most they were was the heuchera, which was £2.99. The other two were £1.99. They're all on special offer at the moment, and to be honest, they're an absolute bargain. Look at the size of them. Great. As you can see, my pots are looking a bit had it. They've got some really leggy violas in there that have been in there since the winter. I haven't really done anything with these, I've just left them, so they're really going to benefit from having some new plants. I'm going to start by pulling everything that's currently in these pots out of it. I'm going to save some of those violas because they'll probably be all right for next winter, seeing as they're still flowering, and then get cracking with my new plants. These little pots that I have are so cute. They look like a basket weave. They're by Storage. And what's really awesome is the inner pots have these little handles, so you can get the pot part easily out of the basket. When I'm planting up my containers, I start by half filling the container and then popping in my water gel. This is important as it reduces your watering time and it keeps the plants in the containers moist, which they really struggle with, more so than they would do in a normal border. Just take a small amount and sprinkle it on top of the soil. Now for the fun bit. I'm going to take one of each of these plants, pop it into the center of the container, fill the remaining space with compost, and then firm it down. So this has cost me less than £8, which in many shops is the price of one plant. And look, what a transformation. These will look beautiful on my patio. And that's how easy it is to make yourself some beautiful perennial containers. It's taken less than 10 minutes and my patio has been completely transformed. Just one final thing to do, and that's to give them all a good water. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.